What's up, guys? So today we're gonna play 1999 Nights in the Forest. As you guys cannot see, tonight's also gonna play. So let me first join the game.
Hi guys, I'm Pete. After 1 year,
Not
big.
one. You to the medic. To the medic.
I'm big, guys.
Yeah,
As you
guys.
guys can see, I'm already in the game. I'm just waiting for her to make them.
Like he's already literally in the game. He didn't
You
even
guys
wait for
can't
me.
see. You guys can't see.
I'ma show him. I'ma show for you guys. Wait, wait. So here's him. Here's Unite friend. Yes, thanks friend. That's him. Come, let's go.
My account was hacked.
Come, let's go.
My account.
Come, this side.
My account was literally hacked. My account was flipping hacked.
I'm in. So guys, we're actually gonna try to actually stay for 99 nights in this place actually.
99.
I'm probably actually gonna be the first one to die. I'm not good at this
How
game.
to play this game. I
know how, no, I'm just not good at it. Yeah. I'm not good.
That's my first time playing this event.
Yeah.
This
We haven't played this game for a long time.
like a couple months.
I must say years. Because yeah, it was years. He didn't even wait for me. Wow. If you hear something at the back, it's him playing, obviously. Literally, him playing. So, for starters,
You guys are wondering on what am I playing? I'm playing on a laptop, not a phone like other people like this. I'm playing on a laptop, a PC. Apparently, I'm playing on a PC.
I don't think you guys can see us, but
you guys can't see us. You
only
can only see us when we are playing. You guys can see us.
you guys can only see me play because his
Record don't work.
his recorder don't work. We have to fix it. So you guys are only gonna see.
Actually, my dad is gonna fix it. I don't know how.
Some store. So guys, it's actually very hard. What's the dining table for? I think so Thanksgiving. So yeah.
So what we need is oh, build a crockpot. I'm gonna make it.
No,
We need wood in the machine, bruh.
I actually have wood.
Put it here. Put it here.
Where in the fire?
No, not in the fire. Give it to me. In that machine here.
I'm here. Take it.
Wait, how many people are playing?
I'm gonna store it.
4, yeah, 4.
There. I'm gonna go look.
It looks like it's a left the game.
Let me see.
I need
we have to build the crock pot.
I'm gonna make a.
I'm gonna make
a map.
I'm gonna find food for us.
I'm gonna make a map.
Guys, currently I'm gonna actually find food. You know those rabbits, no? Yes.
Everyone is coming back to the fire. I'm gonna go loot this place. Here.
I'm gonna get closer.
I hear something.
Night is approaching, guys, so we have to make fast. I'm gonna leave that bunny.
The deer is gonna do nothing.
Are you sure about it?
Yeah, I'm opening a chest.
Guys, tell him the deer is gonna do something. Just tell him.
You guys, not on day 1. Like day 2, day. I got the strong eggs, bro.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm
gonna take it. Where's the chicken? I hear a chicken over.
Last time when we played, no, we didn't play on camera, but actually I got killed the first time. Actually, when I came in the game, I actually got killed. So I need a flashlight.
She's very bad, my brother. I'm telling you.
When I just literally I just thought last time I started a game in this in a
You
split
guys,
second I got
you
killed.
guys are wondering where's our other nephew?
Where's Jay? Jay is currently not here.
He didn't come today.
Because where's my wood?
broke the table.
Actually, guys, my wood disappeared. Oh my god. I'm a run. I'm a sprint. I'm scared.
Bravo, what do you need this pumpkin stuff, my Brahman?
I don't know. The game gave it to us. I guess when we're hungry.
Come here, bunny. Oh, I got the bunny food. I'm gonna need that
I'm
for the
currently
treasure.
not hungry.
I got the bunny food. I'm gonna need it. Why is this guy go?
Kaicha is literally not doing nothing. She's literally just standing here. I'm gonna wait till daytime so I can go find
I'm gonna take my bunny food with me, my brother's people.
so I can literally
This hungry girl just eat my steak. I'm gonna eat hers also. Yeah, eat it. Like we told you guys before, we speak of
oh
the
my
past.
gosh. Help. Help. Help.
We speak of the past.
Help. Help. Oh my gosh, he's eating me. Help. The lion thingy.
Where are you, bruh?
I'm running currently. Help.
Waar is
I'm
Had je weer die vier?
no, he's killing me. 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 Oh my god. He's a bad boy.
Ayo, but
Bad
Ga naar
boy.
bij die vier. Ga bij die vier. Ga naar daar.
Nee, ik-
Heel zij. Daar
wil-
heel zij. Ga tot daar bij die vier. Ik ga toe met. Ga je toe daar. Ik ga toe daar bij die vier.
I see you.
We need wolf pelt. I already got a good sack and a good egg literally off the bed.
How do we heal again?
I don't know. You need to come to the fire. Then you're gonna heal automatically.
Oh, I didn't swing. That's why it killed me. He almost killed me. I'm gonna stop sprinting.
Yeah, hungry, my brother.
So yeah, guys, we actually, I don't know why we actually forgot about you guys. We just so interesting with this game. I need to find a chest. I'm gonna start sprinting.
Of course.
I'm not hungry. I
I'm
think I'm not
going
hungry.
after this chest.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
here
gonna
come.
go save the
He's,
kid. I'm gonna
he's actually coming. He's attacking me now. I did nothing to him. He's actually attacking me. So
That's how the game goes.
I actually killed him.
For the first time in your life, you killed.
Oh yeah. Oh, I thought there was another one too.
Kom eens op. This thing is too fast, my brother. There's Turk. Come here, Turkey. Turkey, where are you running, Turkey? I'm hunting a turkey.
I
guys.
actually
Ooh,
found this.
I got turkey poop.
I found this. Ooh, what's this?
This, just in case. I'm gonna go grab me a flashlight. There's a kid. There's a kid.
I know that.
Are you all alone?
Zola, maybe need to help. Guys, I disconnected. I don't know what happened. A Wi-Fi, guys.
The power is out.
No, look at my Wi-Fi is still on.
Mine is also. I'm gonna
So as you guys don't know, no, we actually in the same room, so I think that's why. But so I'm currently reconnecting.
As you
I'm gonna
guys-
just pause the video for
on this house school weekend. No, don't post.
Fine.
No, yeah, we're coming back.
Actually, guys, we actually missed. I actually got good for a day, but no, I
I'm
did.
gonna rejoin, yes. Yes, I'm gonna rejoin. I'm coming. I'm gonna go pee pee.
So, guys, it's only me. And you guys, what the fuck? What's this? Rewards. I get the rewards. Oh my gosh. Tonight died, you guys. He died. I also died. I'm self-reviving. I don't know what happened. The kid is crying. Oh my god.
I died.
The kid is crying. It's so
But
sad.
I need help, my bro. How did I die?
Oh my gosh. What is the Scully doing? Finally, I survived.
Revive me.
Where are you?
Ik zie. Kijk op jouw map. Ik zie Ian alleen. Ik zie bij die 4. I'm gonna do 1x multiplier.
You're not very good at fire. I'm at the fire. I'm actually dying.
Zoe.
I'm dead.
Nah, let's leave, my bro.